If you're looking to stop recurring charges on DoorDash, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Setting. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the app. From there, navigate to the Account or Settings section to find your account details. Step 3. Access subscription information. Look for an option labeled Subscriptions, Manage Subscriptions, or something similar. This section will display any active subscriptions you have, including Dash Pass or other recurring services. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. There should be an option to cancel subscription or end membership. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from DoorDash. You can also revisit the subscription section in the app to ensure that the subscription is no longer active. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on DoorDash. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support.